Hello guys, as you already know, this is gonna be our last video. This video will be about Mission 10 Linux version, and there are a couple of things I have to explain you. So first I will show you our daemon. As you should already know, we have to run a daemon that pretty much will collect all our programs that are running in our machine in all the day, and at the end of the day we have to send it through a server. Okay. All this code is pretty much the daemon, and what this daemon is doing is executing a bash script, and is the script will be make our tasks. So how did this work? Well, as you can see here, we have a, a system that is calling our script here. I will show you the script. I will open it. Well, this script is running two basic. No, they are not basic. Well, it's running two basic bash commands. WM control that lists all the tasks. I mean all the programs that are running in a computer, and xprog. What xprog will do is kinda sort the output of WM control, and it will just give give us the process ID and the name of that process. Well, it's actually not giving us the process. It's giving us the program, the class program, as you can see, class. Okay. Now our daemon, what is doing our daemon is executing that, and this will make a text file. This text file will contain, as I said, our program's ID and their names. Okay, but something is missing, right? Yeah, we are missing the memory of this program are taking, and that's why we have a new. No, we don't have nothing new. What we are doing here, yeah, well, that's why we are doing another bash script. Our new bash script is doing a PS. PS pretty much will list all the processes and the memory they are taking, with a lot of other stuff that we don't really need, because the only thing we need here is the memory of the programs, right? Okay, so we have we have uh, we already have a text that contains our process ID, our program ID, and their names, and now we will make a new text that will contain all the processes and the memory them take and the memory they take. And what we are doing here is, so okay, we have our programs ID, and then they will they will search through the second text if they are in the processor list. If the program ID finds this ID in this new list, well, it will take the memory it's taking, and it will make a new file. This new file is called dummy. I hope you understand it, because it's kind of tricky, because we are handling a lot of text, and I'm going to show you how this is pretty much working. I hope you will understand better with while we are executing the program. Okay. Well, I'm going to just compile. I'm going to I'm going to close this. Okay. And I'm going to compile our programs and execute them, and I will show you how the programs just made will make the text I was explaining before. So okay, pretty much first I'm going to compile our daemon. As you can see, our daemon is here. I'm going to compile it, I will give it an easy name. Okay. Oh, I think I did. I I think I erased something while I was explaining this. Okay, it's in line 100. Okay, I think I did this. I didn't want to do this. Sorry. I hope this fixes everything. Okay, I'm going to do this again. Okay, it seems like everything is working fine. This is just a warning about a function I'm using, but it doesn't matter right now. I don't have to explain that. I don't pay attention of that. Okay, I already compiled our daemon. I'm going to compile our client too. Okay, I'm going to compile it, and oh, sorry, I wrote it now. Okay, now we have our client compiled, and I need to compile our server too, right? Because we will use a client server to send our our list of programs and all the other things. Okay, I'm going to compile. Okay, now as you can see, there is no new text file because I didn't execute the daemon yet. So I will execute the daemon, and you will see that it will make a lot of text files. Okay, I'm going to execute the daemon, and a lot of text file will appear. So don't be scared. I will explain them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what are they? All of these texts. Okay, the first of them is our program list. I'm going to open it. Pretty much what this is doing is showing all our programs that are open and the process ID. But as you can see, all of them are are being repeated because our daemon is executing a lot of times in a pretty close time. And what I'm that's why this is a temp program list. Our program list, in fact, is this because I sorted our, our list before, and this is the output. Okay, now this program list, as I mentioned before, have to be compared to a process list. This is a process list. Okay, here you can see the the memory that they take and the process ID. Now we have to find this process ID and match with this process ID, and then we will make a third file that will list the the process ID, the name of the process, and the memory data. Okay, I'm going to close this, and that why dummy because why will be the text that the client will log. Okay, I'm going to close this. Now execute our client. This is just everything that our tech. This is the text that will be sent to the other process. The list server is the list that our server receives, and they both have pretty much the same. And this is here, right? Wow. Wait, there are less process, right? Nah, not really. It's because when our server gets the gets the text that is receiving, it just sorts the there is no repeat. Okay, and pretty much that's it. I hope you you were not. I hope you understand all this. It's kind of hard to follow all the process, but to be honest, it's not that hard. Oh well, I forgot something important. We have to we have to contact this. What do you say? Cron, what's this? Oh, this is the final requirement that we have to put an hour and that we have to put an hour a timer pretty much to send our program at some really specific time. Right? You remember that? Yeah. That this requirement. Okay, we have to write down the hour, the minute, well, the minute, the hour, and this will be so. And now we have to write down the path of the script that will be executed. This is our path, right? Mission 10 Linux, and we have to write down the program that we will execute. Uh, be aware that this should be the program, not the code. Remember, this is the program, right? And now we have to put the parameters. The parameters were localhost and the local port, right? Okay, okay. It seems like everything's good. Remember that if this will be executed at that time, that the server have to be up to, right? Because our client will not work if the server is not up. Okay. Now I will list our cron tabs list. Yeah, as you can see, this will be executed at this time. Okay. And pretty much that's it. If you have watched my videos before, you should be already aware that I love my operating system, so I recommend it all the time. Use it, download it. It's free. It's called Elementary, and it has this awesome look. Try it. You will not be regret. Thank you a lot for your time and be patient with this video.